Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're taking a quick look at what you can do with a D-34 license. Now, the D-34 prefabricated equipment contractor performs installation of prefabricated products and equipment. There are many things that fall under this classification. I'm not going to go through all of these points. We're going to cover them in the video. However, I've got this definition linked below. I strongly suggest that you check it out. Now, the D-34 falls under the C61 limited specialty umbrella. And again, I've got this full definition linked below. I strongly suggest you take a look at it. However, we're going to delve deep into 2 points that are pertinent to this video. An applicant classified and licensed in the classification limited specialty shall confine activities as a contractor to that field or fields and scope of operations set forth in the application and accepted by the registrar, or to that permitted by Section 831. A specialty contractor other than a C61 contractor may perform work within the field and scope of operations, classification C61, provided the work is consistent with established usage and procedure in the construction industry and is related to the specialty contractor's classification. So you always want to make sure that the services you're offering fall under the correct contractor license classification so that you don't run into any issues with the CSLB. Now, the vast majority of the contractors that hold the D-34 license are offering chimney sweep services, prefab fireplaces, dryer vent, sweep cleaning, historical restorations in some cases, different types of inspections, prefab fireplaces and stove installations, prefab outdoor kitchens, fire pits, BBQs, hearth screen replacement. So this is a big area of expertise that falls under the D-34 license. Next, you have office fixtures, displays, and various playground services. So in many cases, these are modular offices, furniture installations, toilet partitions in some cases, shelving, different types of wine cellars, and again, playground equipment, bleachers, seating, turf, jungle gyms. And then, wine cellars is a huge part of this as well. So you have various different kinds of services that contractors specialize in, and this is the classification that they get. Then next, you have appliance installation. So, your refrigerators, your ovens, your microwaves, wine coolers, washers, dryers, dishwashers, under-counter refrigeration, built-in coffee units. And again, you always want to make sure that the work that you're doing falls under the correct classification and that everything is approved by the CSLB. Now, in the state of California, contractors can hold multiple classifications. The most common additional license classifications that D-34 contractors hold is the B General Building, the D-24 Metal Products classification, and the D-12 Synthetics Products classification. Now, we've got more information about holding multiple contractor licenses on our website. I definitely strongly suggest that you check it out, but you always want to make sure that you have to actually have the experience in that additional classification to get a second contractor license. Now, in order to get the D-34, you've got to pass the California Construction Law Exam. Now, this is an exam that covers a wide range of different topics, everything from taxes and financial reporting to cash management, different business structures, insurance, workers' compensation. Everything is covered in our course that you can find in the links below. Now, the exam is 115 questions. It's going to be multiple choice, closed book. You'll get about 3 hours to complete it. It'll be taken via computer at a proctored testing facility that'll be assigned to you based on your zip code. Now, in addition to that, you want to be prepared for some questions that may involve math. So arithmetic, your units of measurement, potentially calculating square footage, and then of course, percentages and decimals. Now, everything you need to know is covered in our course, presented to you in a clear and easy to understand format with tons of examples and diagrams. And it's essentially a full summary of everything you need to know. Now, this would include physical study guides, online videos and online reviews, audio reviews, online practice tests, a complete math course, and then of course, application preparation and review with full customer support throughout the entire licensing process. Now, we've got another video that goes into the requirements for the D-34 license. I strongly suggest that you check that out. We've also got the most updated fees as well as links to the application below. I hope you will take a look at our website. We've got a ton of information covering all contractor licenses in California. I hope you found this information helpful. Drop us a comment if you have any questions. like and subscribe to the channel. Again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.